Well, we are back out at our country home this weekend. We came out here to do some more work. Wendell is going to work on the yard. Most of the snow is gone from the front of the yard. I'll show you that in a minute. And I'm going to work on the porch. So that is our plan for today. I will show you some of our progress. So I'm going to clean this porch up today. It's not too terribly bad. Last weekend I actually did a little bit of cleaning out here. I got rid of most of the cobwebs, but there is still some up there. I just kind of gave it a light brushing. I've got to scrub the windows and get all the fly poop off and the dead flies. I actually cleared off all the flies last weekend as well, but now there's more. It's really weird. Flies actually come back to life in the spring. I did not know that until last year when I saw one moving and it flipped over and came to life. I was like, what? That was new to me. So I got to get all these flies out of here because otherwise they will come back to life. There's one alive up there. You see it? There it is. So strange. But flies get in here quite often because this is the porch and the door is often left open. So I was sitting out here this morning having my coffee. It's really nice and quiet out here and bright and sunny. So I'm going to clean up this porch, and most of the snow is gone from the yard. Our neighbor came in during the week and cleared most of it out, except for where he couldn't get his little tractor. I'm not sure exactly what he used, but he got most of the snow out of the yard. And we did not get the leaves raked up last year in the fall. So now we have a ton of leaves on the ground. So that's not going to be fun to rake up, but I'm assuming that that's what Wendell's going to be working on today. And my succulents are looking good. I can't believe that they're a little bit dry, but they will come back to life. So it's crazy how they survive all that snow and freezing weather. These ones actually, we got this, I think this is what we got from a field. We dug some from a field and brought it over and planted it, and it's doing well. But this is all going to change because once we paint, I think we're going to raise the flower bed up to the top almost. Raise it up a bit anyways, and then fill it full of succulents. So this will eventually change. So yeah, lots of leaves to clean up. Still lots of snow out here, but it's melting slowly but surely. You can hear that. I think that's a wren. Oh, I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. It's really bright. We'll see if we can see it up there. Yeah, there he is. Singing away. I think that's a wren. Lots of birds out here. And lots of work to do. Wendell just bought this from the Good Neighbor thrift store. I'm not sure what he's planning on doing with it. But yeah, I'm going to clean this porch up today. I picked this up quite a few years ago. I can't remember if it was at a yard sale. I think it was at a yard sale. It's really cool. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It needs to be cleaned up, and there's, I don't know, there's bird poop in there. It's a little, I don't know, atrium? I'm not sure what you call that. It's not a curio. Let me know in the comments what you would call that, because I can't think of it off the top of my head. It's too early. My brain's not working. This is our little bathroom, and we have a lot of work to do in here. It all needs to be repainted. You can see behind the sink there, it's all peeling, so that's got to be repainted. This, I don't know. I would like to find something different or refinish this. It's all chipping. I think it's all possibly original. Well, I mean, it's been repainted, but I don't think Wendell painted that. I think that's how he found it. This little shelf needs to be repainted. The toilet needs to be changed. It is cracked, and it was causing some leakage around the floor. So the floor is got some damage, so that needs to be fixed. We have a new old toilet that we're going to replace this one with. And I need to fill all the cracks in and repaint the walls. These are all original to the house, all these walls. It's all original. So it all needs to be filled in. Puttied? I think it's putty. I don't know exactly what I'm using. Wendell knows. So that's going to be my job. I'm just going to slowly work at it, filling in all the cracks, and then I'll repaint the bathroom. Got a little ledge there. That's where I keep all my vintage towels. A few other things. My little collection of tins and vintage cold cream containers. And we got to do a lot of work around the tub. We found these glass towel bars. So we've got 3 of them in here. One right there. They need to be probably painted. I don't know what we're gonna do there, but probably paint them with maybe some type of metal paint. Make them look nice again. So lots of work needs to be done in this bathroom. I found this, I can't remember where I found it. I found it last year somewhere. I think it was in here, tucked away somewhere. So I had Wendell put it up because it's for combs and brushes. It's definitely an antique. Yeah, so that's our little humble little bathroom that needs some work. So I'm showing you the before. It'll be a while before I get this done, or we get this done, but it'll happen. What is that?
Kentucky bluegrass.
Kentucky bluegrass. Wendell's quite proud of his Kentucky bluegrass. It's looking good. So I'm just moving some stuff out of the way. It's a hot mess down there. Lots of dead flies and leaves and whatnot. I can't move this totally out of the way. It's got curling rocks in it. You know, just in case we want to take up curling. You never know. It's pretty dirty. Leave a note. We will be back at... oh, that moves. Oh, that's super cute. Is there anything inside? Nope. No notes. That's super cute. We gotta bring that out and put that somewhere. Hang that on the wall out here. What else we got in here?
Sound insane.
Sonny Rollins.
I said you sound insane.
I sound insane? Why?
Talking to yourself.
I'm not talking to myself in the porch. I'm talking to my viewers. I'm showing them what's inside this box. This is a rocket radio. I don't know what a rocket radio is, but there it is. All right, well, I'm going to keep cleaning this nasty looking mess up. Look at that spoon. It works like a charm. Best tool ever. Of course, I'm using it with my right hand. I'm left-handed. Well, I'm actually both, but predominantly left-handed, so a little bit awkward here, but it's working great. It works great. Cheapest, best tool ever.
Faster. Come on.
Well, it's definitely a big improvement. I cleaned all the windows, scrubbed them up really good. I still got to clean the outside, but I think I'm going to call it quits for today. I'm pretty exhausted, and I still have to hang this little leave a note piece that I found. And apparently this was Wendell's grandparents. They had it in their home. And it says Linden, Alberta on it. And that's where they're from. So I gotta hang that up. I found a hammer, but I couldn't find any nails. So I gotta wait till Wendell gets back. So it looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than it did. All cleaned up. And pretty much ready to paint. I even wiped the crock. And the yard is looking much better. Wendell got it all raked up, except for the middle section there. So that should melt probably by tomorrow. That should all be melted, I would say. And he raked up all the leaves. So it's looking much better. And we are going to clear this whole area here. We're gonna get rid of all these bushes. These bushes are really pretty, but such a pain. I have had them stuck in my hair. We're going to clear this all up, take this fence down, and then build it up, build the ground up, plant some flowers, and then eventually these Manitoba maples will have to come down, and then we'll plant probably some cherry trees in replace of the trees, the maples. So it's looking much better. It's coming along. We got a lot accomplished today, and we'll do some more when we come out next weekend. So we're on our way to a small town to check out an old church that is being demolished, and they've got some what purchase them or get them for free. I'm not really sure. So we're gonna check it out and see if they'll work for the church.
So what are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? Oh, it's a little bit. Yeah, I don't think I want to go that way. It's a little wet. Should have wore some rubber boots. Gonna have to go over the snow. Yeah, it's too bad the doors are sold. Those would have been perfect.
Lots of rabbit turds.
Yeah, lots of rabbit turds. Yeah.
Pretty close.
Oh, they look like nice stained glass windows. I think they're green. Were they green and yellow or?
Yeah,
Green and yellow. It's hard to see. You didn't bring any kind of ladder.
That's okay.
They look like they would work.
They look pretty close. 32, it looks like.
There's 4, I guess 4 on each side. 8 windows. How many do we need?
I think we have 4. These might be a little bit wider though.
They've got a bunch of lights, fixtures and stuff, and door handles and different things as well. So
70.
gotta watch the landmines. There's landmines all over the yard. Landmines, which means rabbit poop, not actual landmines. Have a look at this side. Yeah, it's coming down. You can kind of see the windows a little better on this side. Yeah, they're green and yellow. The picture that I saw was a picture of them from the inside. They looked really pretty. That would be so awesome if they worked. So Wendell just climbed over the fence. He's going to go and measure the windows. You can see how much the snow has melted. It's been a week since we've been out here. And it's almost melted. You can see the grass now. So will they fit?
They're way bigger.
Way bigger? Oh, bummer. Well, I'm going to wrap it up here. I am going to get supper going and relax. And then we got to head back to the city. So thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.